Hi everyone, it's Laura. Hello, it's so nice to see you. And this is a basic ballet program for you to learn ballet at home and to get a basic idea of how to move your arms, how to move your feet. So many times you go to a dance studio or you want to learn ballet and you'll get completely overwhelmed really fast. So there's several areas of your body you can start to work on in ballet. But just for the beginning, let's start with your arms and your hands. So the secret to beautiful ballet hands is just close your fingers and then you put your thumb behind the fingers like this. You don't want to do it like this, but it is more just like you're just putting the thumb over here. And it's like a little squeeze between the fingers here, yes. And you want to have like a very slim hand. You don't want to do this with your fingers, just make them very slim. And then you can put a little bit more stretch in this finger, like this. Like this. So you have your thumb here, and this finger is pointed, and the other fingers are just relaxed. Like, see? Yeah, like this. So the thumb is hidden, this finger is stretched, and the other fingers are just relaxed. Many times what I see is that people are too tense in their hands, so they're like this, or like this, or they have just too much tension. So what you want to do is just stretch this finger with a little bit of tension, hide your thumb, and the rest of the fingers are just relaxed. Very nice. And now you have a beautiful ballet hand, and you just want to be careful of not doing this or this. Just keep the hand small, yes. And what you will always find that the hand builds a line with your arm and the elbow. So it's not like this. It's always a line. So what we're going to do is we do this with the right hand and then do the same with the left hand. Yes, very good. Very good. And just put your hands next to you. Nice. So you have the long line with the finger. The thumb is hidden. Very nice. And what you're going to do now is you just try to lift your elbow. Yes, very good. And what will start to happen is there's a wave of your arm. And that's one of the basic ballet arm movements for a pas de bras. Yes, just do this. And what you want to try is to not push your shoulder up. You want to keep that shoulder down. And you just turn your upper arm so that the elbow comes up. And then you push your hand outward a little bit, and then you turn the arm again, and the elbow comes down. So what will naturally happen is that your hand is gonna turn with the elbow. And that's something you don't want to do in ballet. You don't want to turn the hand too much. So your hand has to face your body at all times. So what you want to do is use your elbow and turn that upper arm without turning your hand. That's very difficult. So you have to try it for a little bit to get used to this. Good. And then let's try the other arm. Just use the elbow, push the hand outward, and then push the elbow down. Yes. And then out again and down again. Very good. Nice job. Very good. Try to keep your shoulder down. Don't push the shoulder up. Good. Keep your fingers nice and relaxed. Don't over tense in your hand. The only tension is in this finger, a little bit of tension, and in the thumb. The rest of the fingers are just relaxed. Good. And then you should start to get a beautiful wave in your arm. Nice. And now we do this with both arms. Keep the shoulders down. And push the elbows out and down again. And out and down. Very good, very good. Nice. So the next thing we're going to do is the first position in ballet. So that's one of the most important arm positions you can have. And it's about the height of your belly button. And what you want to do is keep your arm round. You don't want to have this here. You want to keep it long, but not straight. Just a nice rounding effect here. Yes, and the same with the other arm. Good. Again, don't push your thumbs out. Don't over-tense the fingers. Keep the thumbs in and this finger straight. And the rest of the fingers are just relaxed. Good. And now what's really important is one of the principles as well is keep your shoulders down, but at the same time, lift your elbows. It's very hard. What normally happens is this. So you want to push your elbows up. Yes, very good. Really, really good. Very nice. And from here, you want to open your arms to the side. And what will happen for a lot of people is the elbows drop immediately. So you want to keep those elbows nice and high and the shoulders down. So, and then push the elbows to the side without changing the distance from your hand to your shoulder. So the distance between your hand and your shoulder is always the same. And you push your elbows out and you open your chest a little bit more. Yes, and then you have a nice second position. From the side, you're going to see that the elbows are not dropped, but the elbows are nice and high, and your elbows never come behind the line of your shoulders. So your elbows are always a little bit in front of your body. They're not behind your body. They're next to your body and a little bit in front. And here the same. Push your thumbs in, yes. Push your elbows up and push your chest bone high. Yes, and you might feel this is really, really hard to do, and you feel the muscles burning like, oh, this is so hard, but it looks beautiful. Good, so just let's do it with one arm. Just use the right or the left arm. Push your elbow out, push it down, round the elbow again. The hand goes in first position, right where the belly button is, and the elbow pushes out. This is one of the most common arm preparations you have when you do ballet. Just do it again. Push the elbow out and down and up. Keep those elbows high, don't drop them, don't do this. And then push the elbow out. Good, relax your arm and do the same with the other side. Push your elbow out, push your elbow down, round this arm again, go in first position, and keep your shoulder back and down, and then push your elbow up to the side. If you feel a nice stretch and pain, a little bit of pain here, that's good. It's a good sign, and it's good. Good, let's do it with both arms. Push your elbows down, round the arms again, go in first position, and then open, push the elbows to the side, keep your shoulders down, don't drop your elbows, and don't go too far back. And push your chest bone up, very good. And from here we're going to stretch the arms as long as we can without lifting the shoulders, keep the shoulders down, and then we push the elbows down a little bit. And we go down, 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 and at the end we're going to round the elbows again. Good, do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, we hold for 5, 6, stretch 7, push the elbows down, and 8. Good. I think we're ready for some music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arm in first position, open to the side. Allongé, stretch your arm. Push the elbow down, shoulder down. And at the end of the movement, round your elbow again. The same with the other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arm in first position, open to the side. Stretch your arms, push your elbow down, and round the elbow at the end. Good. Both arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And first position. And open. Allongé, stretch the arms. Push the elbows down. And round both arms again. Again. Good job. Very good, you did an amazing job. I'm so proud of you. That was our first lesson in ballet for at home. And just play with it a little bit. Use your arms. Maybe when you're sitting in the car and you're waiting, or you're on a bus stop and waiting, whenever you have time, when you're brushing your teeth, at the same time you can do the movement with the elbows and just learn to use your arms the proper way. If you have any questions, ask them down below in the chat box. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and yeah, let me know what you want to know. If you have any questions, you can ask me anytime, and I'm so happy to have you here on this channel. We're gonna continue soon with lesson number 2. And one thing I want to say as well is you can be so proud of yourself that you're watching this and that you try to learn it. I think sometimes we get so discouraged when we're told as a child that we don't have any talent, or we're too fat, or we're too old, or all of the things that you can think of. And it's just wrong, because everybody can do ballet for themselves and to have fun and to get a little bit more elegance in their life, a little bit more beauty, and just to feel elegant, the way you move your arms and everything. It's just ballet technique. It's not something crazy. Everybody can learn it, really. And I want to help you achieve this, have more beautiful arms and hands, and just to look a little bit more and feel a little bit more like a ballerina when you dance. You did a great job for today, and now the only thing that we need to do is just relax, be proud of yourself for what you did today, and keep trying. As always, all the best to you.